What's up guys, I do hope you're all having a great day. In today's video we're going to be replacing the rear shock of the E90. The first thing you need to do is remove this, the carpet cover from the inside of the trunk. For that there's these small black tabs you have to pop out and move this out of the way. So we'll do that first. Okay, so now that we have those removed, we can just push this down. You can see back here there's that rubber boot. We have to remove that boot to get to the top of the shock. So now I'm going to remove that with a flathead, then jack the car up, take off the wheel so we can get on to the next step. Alright, so now that we have taken off the wheel, as you can see here, the old shock is pretty bad. That can also be dirt and grime, but the other one did break and leak, so we're going to be replacing this one as well. I've already done the other one. So from the top over here, if you can see properly, as you can see there, that bolt is a 16th millimeter, and you need a 6mm socket to go on top to keep it in place. As you unscrew it, then you can remove the top piece of the shock off, and we'll do that right now. Alright, so now that we have disconnected the top of the shock, now I have to do the bottom. Now you take a 15th millimeter wrench and place that right at the bottom of the shock. There's be a spot there for that. Then you take a 17 millimeter socket, and there's a bolt right underneath there, and you have this here to hold it in place while you unbolt the bottom of the shock with the socket. So we'll do that now. And there you go. Alright, so now to remove the shock, it's pretty easy. You just have to compress it. You may need both hands for this. You have to compress the shock. Okay, so as you can see, we got the old shock out. Here's the brand new one. As you can see a difference. This one is very bad. So now what we have to do is to remove the piece on top, the holding of the shock, and move over the boot, a dust cover and all that onto this, then put it back in. And you do it the same way as you take it out, but in reverse. So we're going to do that now, and then I'll show you guys at the end. Okay, so quick tip for when you're bolting it up on top inside the trunk of the car: use a jack and jack up the whole hub assembly so you compress the shock, so it's much easier to bolt it up from up top. Alright guys, so now we got the brand new shock installed. It's bolted up. I couldn't pick up the boot covers in time, so I'm going to do that. Do that another day. But the most important thing was that we got the new shock installed. It's all bolted up. Now I'm just going to bring the car up, put on the wheel, and it is good to go. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If it helped you out in any way, shape or form, consider hitting the like button down below and subscribing. It really means a lot to me. We just hit 100 subs, and I want to try and get this up to 500 subs as fast as possible. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do like this type of video, comment down below any of the other video ideas that you would like to see on the E90, and I'll be sure to have a look and do as many of those as I can. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.